Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to view your statements on your Royal Bank of Canada app. Now the first thing I want you to do is just launch the app, and then here at the bottom you have this navigation bar. Tap on more right here. You see these horizontal lines, tap on this, and then here under services you should see statements. I want you to just go ahead and tap here on statements, and you can choose any account you want to view your statements for. So let's say checking account for this example, and you'll be able to see your last 6 statements that will appear here. Okay, and if you want more date ranges, you can click here and get more. So let's click this one, and then you can easily zoom in. You place 2 fingers on the screen near each other and you spread them apart to zoom in. I'll show you another way to access your statements. What you can do, you can go here, accounts overview, home page. You can click on any account, right? And same process, you click on view statements, you choose your period, okay? And there you go. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.